Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and we're going to do a little unboxing on this video. I have the 2023 West Point, I believe, burnished, aka uncirculated, aka bullion, American Silver Eagle here that came in a few days ago, and we're going to unbox it, see how the Mint's doing with their packaging, and see how they are doing with their quality control. So this shouldn't be too long of a video. We're going to try to do this all in one shot. If you see some discoloration here, it's because I've taken off the sticker that identifies what order number this is. Just trying to keep my personal information off the internet. And if I have to stop the video, it's only because I don't want a piece of paper with my personal information on it being uploaded to YouTube. So I hope you understand. But this is totally unopened until right now. And let's see, we've got the coin. And yep, we've got a piece of paper with my order on it. Open that off camera, and then packaging. Well, sorry if I had to cut the video short there. It's because I realized my address was being shown on the screen there. So you can never be too careful on the internet, guys. So just putting that out there. Sorry for the pause, but this is the unboxing. One upgrade I do want to point out: we're no longer using butcher paper. They're using cushioned packaged air. United States Mint stepping up their game. Should be with the price we're paying for all this stuff. All right, you didn't come here to see packaging, you came here to see a coin, and it looks pretty much identical to the one that we got earlier this year. There's the 2023 San Francisco, and yep, the packaging appears to be the same. That should just be the card, or the certificate of authenticity. Just moving around in there, and there's the coin. If my camera will focus, let me just try zooming down a little bit. Maybe that'll help. There we go. All right, so the coin in hand looks great. I do see some black velvet fuzzies on there, but they wipe away easily. And let's get this out of its case. With these coins, it's a little bit tricky. You actually have to take it out and push back on that, and that should just pop right out. So there we go. Okay, I don't need to bring it up as close now, but there is the West Point mint mark. Looks like I might have a milk spot there right where the edge of that initials are, right there. I think you can see it's that dark spot. So it looks like I've got a tiny blemish there. And we'll have to check that out. Right there at the top of the E. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this in focus for you, but I keep forgetting that it's zoomed in. Right there above the E, there looks to be a little bit of a ding. Either that, and maybe not a ding. That might just be some dust underneath the capsule itself. I am going to send this out to PCGS to get slabbed. I do that with all of my ASEs. So I will probably look at that when it's time to do that. But other than that, yeah, I don't think that's necessarily a nick. That looks to be just some debris there. It does look like it's minted very well. 2023 West Point. So no real big issues here. Cool. Have you guys gotten your 2023 West Point American Silver Eagles to add to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. I know the Mint's pricing has gone up. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm a little bit of a completionist, so I'm kind of stuck buying these things. So let me know in the comments below if you've got one, if you plan on getting one, or if you're skipping them all together. So that's really all there is in the video. It's a coin. It came, and it is pretty much as it was described. So that's all I've got on this video. Remember, if you like it and you want to see more like it, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you've got something to say, leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And remember, it's always a mystery until you open that box of the United States Mint and see if you got the right thing inside. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Catch you on the next one.